Guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the Man channel. Today we're gonna be opening up this Twilight Masquerade. What should we even call this? I don't know what these are called. Triple pack thingies. So if you guys are excited for today's video, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button because we're trying to get 500 subscribers by the end of the year. And today we're joined by Banana and Squid again.
Hi.
And yeah, so let's just get started. I'm
These
excited.
packs look so cool.
Thank you for your input, Squid. I'm hoping we get the golden Charizard EX. So I'll put it on the screen.
That one is so cool.
Yeah, and I also want one of the Ogapons, which is like this Pokemon, but I want an EX form. Or the Greninja one. That one's really cool. I'll put that on screen too. And this is the Snorlax promo. Pretty cool looking. Like how it puts like watercolor at the bottom. So I want this one. You guys can pick. Okay, I want to open one last.
I'll open my second.
Okay, so you go first, Squid. I can help you. Yeah.
I'm terrible at opening packs. Even though I've been doing it for like 12
I think
years.
the harder the better. I don't know if it is or not.
Okay, here. Alright. I don't think it's better. Means it's hard to open. Oh, black is pretty good. Alright, here. I think it's one to the front, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
Basic energy. Shinx. Oh, Poltergeist. That one's cool. Vroom. Wattrel. Iron Bundle.
Future.
Lucian. Darmanitan. Poochyena. Aaron. And Frostlass. Okay. That's okay. But the Iron Bundle is pretty
My
cool.
bad, guys.
Oh, it's just
My
like a
bad.
deli bird.
My bad.
Okay.
Alright, your turn.
I'll go second.
Why are all the Pokemon made out of metal in the future? You want me to help you? Here.
So hard.
Here, I can help you. You just go like this.
So hard.
No. Yeah.
Look again. I think it's one.
Yeah, it's always
The
one.
closest one.
Okay, so
Oh my gosh, you're revealing all the cards.
Is it
Alright,
the
we got
card?
Basic Energy, Girafarig, Vulpix, Froakie, Eevee. Oh, it's the water thing. Driplin. I want that like full art. Quattrel, Sandslash, Heracross, and Florges. Oh! We got a Dragapult EX. Look at that, guys. That's like looks just like the Charizard silver one. That is so cool. Thank you,
I thought the
Banana.
other card was just the end.
That's so cool.
I thought the other card was just the end.
Alright guys, we gotta get good luck on this one. Hopefully we get the Greninja or Golden Charizard. Put some like for luck, guys. And make sure to subscribe. More luck. Alright, we got a Fire Energy, Phantom, Slugma, Swirlix, Tadbulb, Lucian, Darmanitan, Leafeon, Rillaboom, Surplus. Oh, and an Iron Thorns EX.
Oh my god.
I just saw the person unbox this. I just saw someone unbox this Iron Thorns. This is so cool. Okay, I don't even think we need to cut to a recap, but we're gonna do it anyway. Be back with the recap. Okay, guys, now the recap time. So first we got the Iron Bundle. Not a reverse or anything. It's just a future card. So I liked it. Snorlax. There's the promo with that like cool art in the background. We got Frostlass, reverse / holo. Slurpuff, reverse. We also got Heracross, reverse.
That looks cool.
Poochyena. Let me move this. Poochyena, reverse. Aeron, reverse. Florges, reverse. Rillaboom, reverse. Iron Thorns EX. Look at that. There's stars on it. Whoa. And then we got Dragapult EX. Terra Dragapult EX, which is so cool looking. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I did. Even though we didn't get like the Masquerade of the cards, like I specifically wanted these are like still super cool. So make sure to like the video and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.